Hi, this is Steve from YourGuideToChina.com. And so you're thinking of coming to China and setting up an office. Well, there's a few options. The three most popular options are something called a representative office, a wholly foreign-owned enterprise, and a joint venture. The most popular two are the rep office and the WFOE, the wholly foreign-owned enterprise. The key difference between these two is, do you need to offer tax receipts to your customers? So, for example, if your customers are local Chinese businesses, or if you are selling to consumers, then you definitely will have to give you receipts to those customers. Now, on the other hand, if your customers are multinational corporations and they are willing to pay you outside of China, then you can not give a Chinese tax receipt. So I have friends who are consultants, for example, and they are either interpreters or tax consultants or lawyers possibly, and their clients are multinational companies, and all of their payments they receive outside of China. So they have decided to set up the representative office. Now, the representative office cannot issue the tax receipts. It's a little bit easier to set up, so that's why they choose that. If, on the other hand, you're offering services to local companies and you're offering or offering services to consumers here in China, you will need to be able to issue the tax receipts, and in that case, you would set up a WFOE. And that's actually, most companies do set up this wholly foreign-owned enterprise. The best way to do it is to get an agency or a lawyer, and they will help you follow through all the procedures. There's several steps requiring registering with government offices and these type of things. But many people have done it. It's relatively straightforward to do. The last choice, the joint venture, this one is where you're sharing ownership and control with a Chinese company. Sometimes people do this because the local company already has markets developed, or there's some other benefit they would see with partnering with the local company. These ventures are a little bit more risky, a little more complicated. Definitely are going to want to get legal advice in doing this to understand exactly how does this structured, who actually has control. Just because, let's say the foreign company has 51% ownership does not mean that they have control of that joint venture. So, those are the three choices: a representative office, the wholly foreign-owned enterprise, and the joint venture. Welcome you to come to China. When you do, drop me a line, Steve at YourGuideToChina.com.